So the second last part that we still need to make is the acrylic, but with a square hole in it. So this is the bit that's going to go over the top of the circuit board and let the LED light shine through. So for this one, we're pretty much doing the same as before, but instead of the circle in the middle, it's a square in the middle. So I'm going to make sure I've got my assembly at the top as my active component. I'm going to create a new component, and I'm going to call this acrylic square hole. Okay. And I'm just going to turn off my other ones so that I don't have to see them. I'm going to create a sketch. So, same drill as before. Oh, where's that not? Oh, yeah. Okay, went a bit crazy there. Sorry, I've made my sketch. Now I need to create my rectangle. So center rectangle. 90 tab 90. And then this is the point when you can either draw your rectangle in the middle in the sketch, or you can do it afterwards. I'm going to do it this time in the sketch before we extrude. So for that, again, we're going to click rectangle, center rectangle, and if we have a look at the dimensions, it is 46 millimeters by 46 millimeters from the center. So 46 by 46, enter, stop sketch. And now what you'll have is you've got this outer area and an inner area. So we only want to extrude the outer area. So for that we go to press bow, select just the outer area, and we're going to move that up by 6 millimeters thickness. Okay, and that means we don't have to cut it out as a second operation. We do still need to put in our 2 holes for our brass rods, so they're the same as they were before. So I'm just going to turn on my one from underneath to double check it's going to be on the right plane, so over here and over here. And again, we're going to click sketch point. These are going the whole way through, so we can just choose the top of this. I'm just going to put it there and here. I'm going to do my sketch dimension. Just double check and put those in the right place. So that should be 15. So 15 from the edge. This one. 15 from the edge. And then 45 from the bottom or the top, doesn't matter which. Same with this one. 45 from the bottom. Okay, I can stop my sketch. And now I'm going to create my 2 holes. So I select my point, or my other point. Now I need to adjust this, so the 6 millimeter depth, that's correct. It's just the diameter we need to change. So if we go back to here, it should be, yep, diameter 5 millimeters so that it slides on nice and easily. So I change that to 5. And we don't want a tapped hole, so a simple hole is fine. And that's all of that made. The last bit is just to make it acrylic. So again, we right click, oops, cancel that, I don't know what happened there, right click, physical material, and again we're going to find our plastic acrylic clear, drag that on, close that, and then click save. And that's another component made. So I go back and select, activate my whole assembly.